Try mo mag-empleyado, lalo na sa company, na ubod ng gulang, napakataas ng trabaho, pero napakababa naman ng sahod. Alam mo, pag-usapan natin yan. I cannot speak for your company and your relationship with them kasi hindi ko naman talaga alam yan. No? Kaya ikaw lang ang tanging makakasagot niyan. However, totoo yung sinasabi mo na napakagulang nila, yung quality of work ethics mo ay napakaganda, you're a performer, your skills are really good, tapos you have a good attitude. You possess all of this and yet yung employer mo ay hindi okay. You know, with your level of competence and character, somebody else will want to get you. Personally, nagtrabaho din po ako before I became an entrepreneur. Before I actually shifted from an employee to an entrepreneur, I worked for 2 companies, especially during my youngest years. No, I was 19 and 20, I worked for 2 companies. And in the second company that I worked for, I already possessed, I would say, a level of character and a level of competence that allowed the management to give me both a promotion and a salary increase all in 6 months. Yes po, nakatanggap ako ng promotion at increase in my first 6 months doon sa second company that I worked for. Bakit? First 6 months pa lang, top salesman na ako eh. Performer na ako in terms of sales. So, nabigyan na agad ako ng ganung perks. So, what's the point? Hindi lahat ng employer abusado, hindi lahat ng employer magulang. Okay, if natapat ka dyan, maybe start looking elsewhere. Kasi maybe may ibang company na kayang makapagbigay sa'yo what you deserve and what you're worth. Pero, bago mo gawin yan, i-ensure mo muna, letter A, yung character mo ba ay maganda? Yung attitude mo ba ay kahanga-hanga? Kasi baka naman character or attitude pa lang, bagsak ka na. Tapos, sinisisi mo yung employer, ikaw naman pala may kasalanan. Yung skills mo ba, yung competence mo ba, worth ng increase or worth ng promotion? Because here's the truth. Effort doesn't count in terms of promotion or increase. It's always results that count.